Digital manometer gas pressure tester. Pressure meter with large LCD display backlight, data record function. This manometer would be record 100 PCS data with timestamp, which help to easier to analyze the data. Power on-off button. Units button. Press this button to switch pressure unit. Press this button over R seconds to clear stored data. Hold button. Power on status. Press this button to hold reading, display and another operation. Press this button over R seconds to make reading 0. If button, press this button to look up stored data. Max button, press this button to look down stored data. Press this button to enter max, min measuring mode. F button, press this button to store data 100 data. Tube connector positive electrode, tube connector negative pole. This high-quality manometer is suitable for gas measurement systems, which measuring the air and ventilation system, calibrating and troubleshooting of gas pressure systems, HVAC, gas appliance repair and installation, laboratory testing, etc.